Stretch out your hand. In today's Gospel, Mark chapter 3, 1 to 6, Jesus heals on the Sabbath and teaches us that mercy must always come before fear, rules, or human opinion. Faith is not passive. It acts with love, courage, and compassion. On this joyful memorial of Saint Agnes, Virgin and Martyr, the Church celebrates bold faith, youthful courage, and unwavering love for Christ. Like Jesus and Saint Agnes, may we never delay doing good when love calls us to act. Through Jesus with Mama Mary, follow for daily Catholic prayers and spiritual protection.